A PMA file stores system performance data collected by Windows Performance Monitor. Detailed metrics tracking CPU, memory, disk, and network behavior over time. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you analyze these performance log files. To quickly determine if the PMA file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust Universal File Viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried-and-true software here and later on. PMA files are Windows Performance Monitor counter log files, recording system metrics such as CPU usage, memory consumption, disk activity, and network throughput over time. They are essential for diagnosing system bottlenecks and capacity planning on Windows servers. PMA files use a binary log format generated by Windows Performance Monitor, storing time-stamped countersamples from selected performance objects. They support multiple counter categories and can be configured for circular or sequential logging with defined sample intervals. Your application default for PMA should ideally be Microsoft Performance Monitor from Microsoft Corporation. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows identifies the file type, but not the internal content, which must be opened in the right software. Your reliable first step is the Open With action. Right-click the PMA file and select Open With. If Microsoft Performance Monitor is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the application that works. If you still cannot open your PMA file, that is okay. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening the log file. Open Windows. Performance Monitor by pressing WinPuzar typing perfmon and pressing Enter. Navigate to Monitoring Tools, then Performance Monitor, then right-click the graph and select Properties, then Source tab to load your PMA file for analysis. Next, analyzing the data. After loading the PMA file in Performance Monitor, add specific counters from the log to the graph display. Use the timeline slider to focus on specific time periods. Right-click the graph and select Save Data, as to export the data to CSV for spreadsheet analysis. Finally, converting to other formats. Use the Relog command line tool, included with Windows, to convert PMA files to CSV, TSV, or SQL database format. Open Command Prompt and run relog followed by the PMA file name, and fcsv to produce a comma-separated output file for analysis. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.